Here comes the LG Ultragear Monitor, the 27GL850. People say it is a complete package. The 144Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time, Quad HD resolution, G-Sync compatibility, and all of this on an IPS panel. Just amazing. So without wasting any time, let's open the box and check it out. So this was all what we get in the box, and about the cables, we got one DisplayPort cable, one HDMI cable, the quality is pretty good, and one USB type A to type B cable. Yes, this is a USB type B port if you don't know. Enough about cables for now, let's have a look at the main thing. So here we have the back side of the monitor. Looks awesome, right? Here in the center we have a space for VESA mount. The stand will get fit into it, or you can buy any VESA compatible monitor arm if you want more flexibility. And it is all inside a big red circle which also has many holes for throwing out the heat. I like what LG is doing here. Talking about the I/O, we got one USB Type B port which is here to power these two USB 3.0 ports, and then we have our DisplayPort 1.4 to get the full 2K at 144 Hz, and next we have two HDMI 2.0 ports along with the audio jack on the side, and last is the power supply. Then to control the display settings, we have the joystick at the bottom. Along with it, see what we have here, the Kensington lock, just for security purpose in case you are buying this for the office or some public place, who knows. Next we have our stand, we have the VESA mount here, and as you can see it also has the tilt mechanisms that I'll show you later in this video. Also, the base of this stand is pretty solid. It has some kind of metal in the base, and it also has the rubber pads on it, so it will be very sturdy and stable too. Okay, let's assemble it now. They gave this screw to connect them together, I guess, and yes, it is done. And now it will get connected to the monitor like this. Easy peasy. And now we have one more piece here with us. It will get connected to the stand like this. I guess it is for the cable management. The cables attached to the ports can go from here, but I think it is a little big if it is just for the cables. Let me know in the comments below if you know what it is really for. So yeah, no doubt it looks amazing. There's a matte finish on the screen so it will be anti-glare, and the bezels, they are very minimal, like it's not even here. But at the bottom we have a thick one with the Nvidia G-Sync logo on the left and the LG logo in the middle. Enough staring at the good looks, time to connect it to the laptop and turn it on. Let's see how is the display quality. And well, wow, this is amazing. This monitor is making my laptop display look like faded one or some kind of undersaturated display. Here you can also easily get the idea of the 27-inch display size comparing to the 15.6-inch laptop screen. I'll say it is a perfect size for a monitor, not too small, not too big. 27 inches like a sweet spot there. And with this, we also get the feature to adjust the height of the display, and we can even tilt it to 90 degrees. If you are a programmer, it will be very helpful. Less scrolling up and down while writing the long code lines. Then, as we saw the joystick button down below earlier, we can press it to see the controls. First, let's check out the main menu. In the game mode, we have multiple preset display configurations like Gamer 1, Gamer 2, FPS, RTS, Vivid, etc. It changes the setting accordingly. Like in the reader mode, the screen gets warmer and response time gets set to normal because we don't need a fast response time while reading. Then in game adjust we get the FreeSync Premium. It will reduce the tearing effects while gaming. Then we have the black stabilizer. We can set the response time manually. If you want the 1 millisecond response time, then you can set it to the faster mode. But it is not recommended because it gives a ghosting effect in games. And next in picture edges, there are a lot of manual customizations like brightness, contrast, sharpness, and you can even set the RGB levels manually. And not just the RGB, you can even set the hue and saturation of that RGB separately. So you can easily color calibrate this monitor according to your use. Next, in the input, we get the input list, aspect ratio if you want it wide or original, and the auto input switch to detect and switch to the active input type automatically. And then in the general setting, you get some features like smart energy saving, power LED light control, and automatic standby time. Coming back to the controller, we have direct options to select the input type and game mode too. And we can also power off the display from here. And as I told you before, it is an IPS display, so viewing angles are very good. I didn't notice any change of colors while watching the videos from different angles. So I bought this monitor basically just to increase my productivity while making videos like this in Premiere Pro or doing my design work, and also for the entertainment purpose like watching movies and playing games on the big screen with better refresh rate and response time. And it is looking very good till now. So this was the unboxing, assembly and first impression of the LG UltraGear 27GL850. I will use it regularly from now and will let you know if I find some issue or how is that overall experience very soon. If you have any question, you can comment down in the video as I reply to all of them. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and also subscribe to the channel as more tech videos are on the way. So see you in the next one.